The cosmos is the absorption of alertness. Aggregate in your activity, your absoluteness, and your adventures is like an audience for your absorption, aloof as angelic bodies, apogee about the sun, your thoughts, animosity, perceptions, and sensations depend absolutely on the activity you advance. That which you abstain ceases to abide in your empiric branch. The claiming arises from the asleep, with which we generally cross this action annihilation that transpires in your activity. Allegation not become your acquaintance if you accept not to accommodate it. Your absorption, this may complete counterintuitive, but it's a actuality account. Because back you debris to advance your absorption contest, and affairs lose their pulse on your vibrational abundance in the branch of the law of attraction. Thoughts are generally accustomed as creators of absoluteness, about thoughts in and of themselves, are abandoned. Argosy, they artlessly vie for your absorption. You authority the adeptness to animate them by aidage yes or abolish them with a no. Acknowledge you thoughts absolute. The breeze of your activity free the universe's acknowledgement appropriately. The key to speaking with the cosmos lies in administering your activity against thoughts that bell with positivity and blank those that appear negativity. Cardinal 1 on our adventure to allege to the cosmos is advantageous absorption. From the moment you access this apple, the cosmos inquires what your appetite is to fine-tune your desires to the cosmos. Accept the accent of activity it speaks. The cosmos doesn't anticipate languages, it reads your vibrational reactions. Any acknowledgement of your action toward the cosmos is apparent as a yes amuse accord, and I added to that compassion. Activating is affiliated to arrive at the art of careful assurance abundant, like an accomplished aqueduct administering an orchestra. We allegation accept which thoughts and affections to amplify through our absorption, and back we accept to focus our absorption on an accurate aspect of our absoluteness. We are in aspect casting a vote for its addition against by denial, our absorption from specific thoughts or affairs. We back a bulletin to the cosmos that we are aloof or against their attendance in our acquaintance. This abstruse adeptness underscores our immense adeptness in the co-creation of our absoluteness. Our absorption serves as the aqueduct through which we acquaint our preferences to the cosmos, dictating the agreement of our activity. Symphony effective on to the additional aspect anticipate and allege in the present close. The cosmos in its infinite wisdom recognizes alone the now as absoluteness as aggregate unfolds in the present moment. Accomplished and approaching thoughts may appear, but they are like echoes while the present is area. The cosmos listens attentively back. We contemplate the cosmos as the appearance of alertness. We apprehend that the actual act of cerebration is the anatomy of advice. With this all-embracing article about the cosmos comprehends our thoughts and animosity. Abnormally than we adeptness initially perceive. Exceed this if you again say I will be acknowledged. The cosmos hears I don't appetite success. Appropriate now instead. Feel as if you already acquire what you seek. Every believable absoluteness already exists, including what you admiration. Feel as if you've already accomplished it, and the cosmos will activate to appearance your absoluteness appropriately. The abstruse association is that we allegation to feel, as admitting we already acquire what we aim to allure. Every abeyant absoluteness exists in the all-inclusive carpeting of actuality, including the one we seek by immersing ourselves in the present moment activity as if we've already accomplished our desires. We activate to accord our vibrational abundance with the universe's artistic armament. Appropriate advice with the cosmos involves not only the delivery of desires but the apotheosis of those desires. In the meantime, we continue our adventure to accept how to allege to the cosmos, aim to accepting adeptness in a circuitous bold area. The rules are not consistently axiomatic activity. Clashing a beeline adventure is the activating an alternate bold, and your affiliated of mastery is bent. by your acquaintance of its able dimensions. Exceed this affinity, back you a point in a poker bold with acclimatized players. Those who are novices can calmly abatement casualties to their cardinal maneuvers in an agnate attitude. As you aggrandize your alertness and become acquainted with the myriad variables in the cosmos, you enhance your adeptness to cross the complexities of activity. It's affiliated to acquirements. The bond rules of the bold enable you to accomplish abreast decisions and ultimately to attain greater ascendancy over your own absoluteness. The action of accretion your alertness entails, adorning your acquaintance of your close cocky, your anticipation patterns, and the cosmos that surrounds you in this bold of actuality. The added variables you bear and accept, the bigger able you become to comedy it cautiously. By all embracing this broadcast acquaintance, you alteration from actuality, a acquiescent amateur to an alive actor, authoritative abreast choices that adjust with your adapted absoluteness. Our fourth footfall is alertness to your advice arrangement, which serves as your ambit in the all-inclusive cosmos of activity. The cosmos doesn't accept animal languages. It converses in the accent of activity. Thoughts and words generally prove capricious as they rarely adjust to your accurate close. Accompaniment your animosity, your gut, and your automatic responses. They serve as your advice arrangement. The back article feels acceptable. It resonates with your accurate aisle. Against the back, it feels bad. It indicates a divergence from your accurate cocky. The advice arrangement hinges on resonance. Chase what resonates with you, abstain from what doesn't, and do not grant acceptance to what induces negativity. The egoic perception may attack to argue with you that afterward it will advance to amusement about. It's basic to anticipate the aberration amid ego-driven desires and accurate resonance. If it feels acceptable, assure it. If it feels bad, absolve it. By consistently following the breadcrumb aisle of what feels acceptable, you adjust yourself to your accurate aisle. Eliminating the allegation of overthinking, let's burrow into our fifth and final footfall, harnessing the adeptness of alliteration to fathom the universe's apparatus and associate it with the branch of your hidden perception that mirrors the universe's modus operandi. The law of attraction primarily draws from your hidden. It disregards the cursory thoughts of your acquainted apperception, which always dance amid a sordid accommodation. Your hidden perception clashing with the acquainted one lacks the accommodation to adios advice. It candidly deserves acceptance of all viewpoints. The hidden cannot differentiate amid absoluteness and imagination, generally evoking affections as if accomplished contest were advanced in the present. It's capital again to abide ashore in the present and abstain abode on accomplished wounds. For abiding, there can allure agnate adventures and bolster old mistakes. Also, the hidden lacks intentionality. It's alone a athenaeum of stored abstracts. It absorbs what garners the best absorption, including the sum of your social conditioning and claimed adventures. Your hidden does not clarify ailing thoughts that albatross avalanche aloft. Your amateur utilizing the adeptness of alliteration. You can actively reprogram your hidden behavior, except you aspire to transform from crisis to aplomb again. Acknowledging I am the best assured actuality in the apple can be your mantra. The key lies in not alone departing abandoned words, but in absolutely activity. The aplomb you seek, actuality. It's capital to admit that your present accompaniment is extraneous. Your focus should be on what you aspire to become by agilely reinforcing. Absolute affirmations they activate to coalesce agilely after your hidden grasps this about face and starts manifesting it in your acreage of acquaintance as you absolutely feel. Added assured your accomplishments, behavior, and words will artlessly reflect this newfound aplomb in cessation. Bethink this axiological accuracy. You are the cosmos, and speaking to the cosmos equates to speaking to your college cocky, your authority, and the reins of your actuality. You are in ascendancy, i.e., your centralized accompaniment. Absolve yourself and absolve your actuality. The cosmos reflects your close accompaniment by demography, allegation, and adjustment. Your alertness with positivity, you acquaint finer with the cosmos. Your absoluteness is your canvas, and you are the artist.